Honestly, you could never go wrong with a nice black unit. If you're someone who likes to switch your hair up a lot, having a black unit in your collection is top tier. So today I'm trying a unit from BeautyForeverHair. This one is a Yaki straight wig, one of their pre-cut, pre-bleached lace wigs. It comes with a 7x5 lace front. You can see what the inside of that unit looks like. They also have a detachable elastic band, which I'm going to go ahead and install in the unit. You can see that nice length. It has a nice shine to it, even with it being Yaki textured. We love that. Healthy looking hair. This is the stuff that came inside of the packaging. You get a melt band, HD lace cap, as well as some press-ons. Now, you can already see how easy this install is about to be. Once I place the unit on, the wig is pretty much already styled, so you have the option to restyle it if you want, because you do have space to work with your lace closure. At first I thought I was going to stick with my middle part, but I decided to switch it up and add my parting space on my right side instead of my left. Normally I'm very much a left side parting girl. Going to wear a side part wig, but today we went with the right, and you can tell that I'm not used to the right side because I was struggling just trying to put my parting space on the right. Like, that's crazy. If you plan to restyle the hair, I definitely think a hot tool is needed just to make sure you can get your hair to fall on the side that you want it to. I'm using a hot comb, but I have seen some people successfully use like a curling one because it is heat. However, I feel like the comb texture or build works better if you are trying to flatten your roots.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the girls that I grew aside, all the niggas round me, died and they died, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on the it's a plan shot. Way that I've been living, nothing conventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting canceled. Think we need that other son and finish up. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to bone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I feel up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me,
Now, I would say the biggest challenge with installing this wig today was just me trying to decide how I wanted my parting space to look. Besides that, every other feature about this unit is super easy and super simple. The lace is already pre-cut, and if you want, you can go in and cut that extra lace off like I'm going to do later in the video. You don't have to do any bleaching to the lace because the knots are already bleached. And it's already pre-plucked. So the unit comes out of the packaging legit ready for you to wear. All you have to do is style it. Where were these units back in the day? I don't feel like we used to get this much care into a unit back then. Back then you would get a wig and you would have to do everything to it yourself. So I like having a wig that I could just open up and style and head out the door. I am wearing today's unit completely glueless. I'm not going to wear any lace spray or any lace glue. And it feels very secure, especially with that elastic band in the inside. This unit had a comb in the back, but not on the sides. So I definitely needed that elastic band to make sure that it was going to stay in place, because the only comb I had was the one from the back near the nape. Finally, I get my parting space where I want it to be. I kind of gave it like a curved C. Then I'm going to go in and cut off that additional lace that you can see that's giving me a little bit of flashback. Luckily, it's only a little bit, so I'm just going to cut that off and then go in with just a little bit of makeup to make sure that it's nice and blended into my skin. And then we're going to take our flat iron and make sure that all of the hair is straight. And of course, we're going to add a little bit of makeup to that parting space just to make sure everything looks even and it also looks bright and visible. And I think straightening the hair only took me about 7 to 10 minutes because it was pretty much already straight when it came out of the packaging. I just had to go over some areas to make sure that it was all even. So you can see that exposure that the wig is on completely glueless. I will say that the unit is big head friendly. However, it was shedding just a little bit while I was brushing it and combing it out. I did have to go over my floor with my vacuum. Overall though, the hair is nice. I like it that it's shiny, and I also love the texture. And I love the density of it as well. It looks very natural. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, the link will be in my description bar below. Thank you to BeautyForeverHair for sending over today's unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.